No, David. Bless it. David's sweet sometimes. So, if you're familiar with this fun-loving series, No, David, then you're going to be excited about this board. David gets into trouble. He doesn't really mean to. I feel like David's got a good heart. Now, the author of this series, David Shannon, I wonder if he's writing from experience. If you click on to this little No, David poster up top, then you are actually going to get a hold of an interview with David Shannon. It's a recorded interview, so you can play it and listen to him talk about his writing and his books. And then over here is a link to an FAQ, so that stands for frequently asked questions. So if you go to David Shannon's website, he has a section on his website about questions that people ask him. And so you can look at those questions and get some answers. Also, because that links you to his website, you can navigate around his website to find other things. But I thought the frequently asked questions page was fun, so that's why I tagged that here. Now, obviously you found me. If you are watching this video, I hid myself in the pot just to make sure that I didn't get hurt by David's shenanigans. Not really. I actually couldn't figure out a good place to put me on this page because I thought it was so cute. I didn't want to mess anything up. So that's why I hid in the pot. But I'm acting like I'm hiding from David, I guess. However, we do have the original No, David with us today. And so I'm going to go ahead and read that one to you guys. No, David! Uh-oh. Look at that teacher stomping her foot. Oh, maybe it's David's mom. David's mom always said, "No, David." Now, I say it like that because I love it when you say it with me. So anytime I say it, you say it with me. Shall we start over so you can get the first one going? David's mom always said, "No, David." We already said this. I'm just going to show you the page. What do you think? Should he? Oh, what could go wrong here? All those items are super breakable, aren't they? Ooh. Let's do this one together. Ready? No, David. It actually says no, David, no. What's he doing here? Oh, he's walking through the house all muddy. Have you ever done that before? Walked through the house muddy? My kids don't do it that much, but my dogs do. No, no, no. What's the problem here? Oh, we're splashing all the water out of the bathtub. Come back here, David. Oh, no. What's he doing? Look. He's running down his street without any clothes on. We can't do that. No, no, no. David, be quiet. Don't play with your food. That's enough, David. Look, he showed his feet. I don't like that. That is enough, David. I don't like to see your dirty food in your mouth. Go to your room. Oh, poor guy. I mean, I guess if you know you're not supposed to do things and you do them anyway, you are going to get in trouble. Settle down. Stop that this instant. He's picking his nose. That is a stop at this instant. Put your toys away. Anybody in here have to put all their toys away? Me. Not in the house, David. I have to say that to my boys all the time. And I say boys because Mr. Ivan, my husband, is one of the perpetrators. He tries to play ball in the house, and he's 42. Don't tell him I told you. I said no, David. Oh, poor guy. Sometimes I feel bad, but look, he did break the vase with the ball, and she'd already told him not to play ball in the house. There's a reason moms tell us things. Moms are pretty smart. Oh, Davy, come here. He does look all sad. We need a hug. Yes, David. The end. Have you ever had days where you feel like that, where you just kind of make all the wrong choices? We have to stop and think sometimes. I feel like if David had stopped to think about some of his choices and actions, then probably he wouldn't have heard the word no or stop so much. What do you think? Hope you have a great day.